Alright guys, this we out here riding again. It's another nice day. You know what I'm saying? We don't get too many nice days. It's been a little rainy around here up in the New England area. You know what I'm saying? Got me and my boy, we out here. We about to go meet my other boy. I'm on a 900 rally, he on a 900, you know how we do. About to go meet my boy on the R6. Need to wash your shit, son.
My shit dirty.
My shit dirtier. I think my shit might be a little bit dirtier, but I wash my shit all the time.
I got all the shit I need to clean it and get it looking real nice too. I just haven't done it.
Being lazy. When you got time, you don't be trying to clean it. You be trying to ride it.
Yeah. After today though, after driving in the grass though, I want to clean that shit.
Right. Man, I can't breathe at the lights. I gotta open my visor. I open my visor at every light because I can't breathe.
Sometimes I do that. For the most part, when I'm trying to do that shit with one hand, I feel like a little kid trying to take off a big ass football helmet.
My shit goes up down easy. This nigga gonna turn in front of us. Asshole ass.
Banging his left right here?
Yes, sir.
I got like 56 miles of gas. You think we good?
Yeah, I got like, I don't know how many I got. Let me see. We're going to Cumberland Farms. That's a gas station. That's where we're meeting Kev. I got 77.
Your brakes is my brakes.
Nah, I know. My shit's squeaky as hell. I gotta change it. I gotta check them out. I'm about to get my first service soon.
Yeah, look at your brothers then.
We beeped at the same time, yo.
Ooh.
Then you beep?
I ain't beep.
Oh, I heard it through your helmet into my ears. That's what happened.
Yeah, that's probably what happened.
Nah. That's definitely what happened. Beep your horn.
Nah.
Beep it. Listen. Just listen. Beep your horn. Listen.
Second, I'm like, yo, who the fuck is this nigga flipping me off right now?
Oh, it's my, I wasn't even paying attention.
Yeah, he drove by flipping us off and shit. I'm like, yo, for a second, I'm trying to think about who this is.
He was about to tell you, let's turn around and get this dude.
Nah, I was really thinking like, I wasn't even thinking like that. I'm thinking like, why you mad at me right now?
Why you mad at me? You ain't got a Ryker.
I don't even know if that was
him.
Yeah. I'm like, damn, look at this flipping me off. Yo, a lot of times when I'm on this road, I be blowing.
Yeah, I do too, but sometimes there be cops at this freaking place right here.
Me too.
After I know I'm clear, I be going.
When I pass the light,
but there be cops at Kennedy, bro. You gotta be one with your bike, you know what I'm saying? We one with our bikes. Gotta be one. Yeah, we gotta go to down to the left over there, down there, and then over the Ludlow Bridge, the little one, the one there towards the jails.
Alright.
The Cumberland Farms is right there.
Fucking yesterday when I was coming from the barbershop, yeah, I'll go to this barbershop right here, matter of fact.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is like a 1960s style, like they all dressed up real nice and fancy and shit.
What's that, Bentley's?
Yeah.
You better tell them you gave them a shout out on the channel. You need a free cut.
But when I was going back to the house, I got down to the light over there before Main Street in Indian Orchard.
Yeah.
And they had like, I don't know if it was the Hells Angels or not, but it was definitely somebody out there. They were lined up, like across the street on the other side of the street.
Yeah.
And there was dudes posted around the building.
What?
Like with their arms crossed, posted like furious.
Yeah. I don't know. I should have took a picture of that shit. He's busting his left right here.
Right here where the car's at?
Yes, sir.
And then it's right up here?
Yes, sir. And then at the light, we taking a left.
Yeah, that's over the bridge.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you, over the bridge.
That was a girl in that car. That was a female detective.
Yeah, she was like undercover detective ass.
Probably kick ass and just fuck the niggas up.
Kicking ass and taking names?
She would have type to chase us down and hem us up and shit, right?
She gotta catch me first.
Yeah, she will. She'll chase you.
Nigga, she'll chase you. She gonna chase both of us.
Nah, she ain't gonna chase me because I'm gonna pull over.
Alright, so she gonna stop for you and I'm gonna be gone.
No, nah.
She gotta go right by you and get me.
Yeah, because I'm gonna pull over, so she gonna have niggas
Call back up?
Yeah, and I'm gonna be waiting right here like, don't shoot my ass.
Nah, I ain't trying to get shot. But
Going straight?
yes, sir. Keep going straight till you see Cumberland Farms. This nigga better be here soon, because they close at 6. It's 45 minutes.
It takes us 45 minutes to get there?
Yeah.
And
Cops, on the right.
It closes in 45
Right here, Cumberland Farms on the left, yeah. Oh, look at them right there.
I see them. Does it close in 45 minutes?
It close, nah. It closes at 6, you said.
It closes at 6. What time is it right now?
5:45.